Imagine a wasp's nest, faucet, the dishwasher, fridge, AC, and the light bulb over the stove were all causing you issues as a tenant. And to make matters worse, the landlords repeatedly made or canceled appointments with little or no notice. These were the allegations in the case of Sue Bryan versus Gruel. If you want a copy of the case, watch to the end of the video. In this case, the tenant submitted a claim. The first T6 application alleged that the landlords failed to fulfill maintenance obligations under the Residential Tenancies Act. The second T2 application claimed illegal entry and substantial interference with the tenant's reasonable enjoyment of their rental unit. The tenants raised issues including delayed repairs to a dishwasher, fridge, and air conditioner, inadequate pest control for a wasp infestation, and interference through missed appointments and improper notices of entry. The landlords argued they acted reasonably, citing COVID-19 related delays and tenant-caused problems with the air conditioner. The LTB partially granted both applications. For the T6 application, the LTB found the landlords failed to address maintenance of the dishwasher and required tenants to coordinate repairs for other issues, violating their obligations under the RTA. A $1,000 rent abatement was awarded. For the T2 application, the LTB ruled the landlords failed to provide proper notice for certain entries and failed to appear for scheduled appointments, interfering with the tenant's reasonable enjoyment. An additional $1,000 was awarded as general compensation. Total compensation of $2,000 was ordered, payable by July 9, 2024, with 7% annual interest for late payment. Key takeaways. Timely maintenance is crucial. Landlords must address maintenance issues promptly and cannot delegate coordination of repairs to tenants. Proper notice of entry. Landlords must adhere strictly to notice requirements under the RTA to avoid claims of illegal entry or interference. Reasonableness in response. Courts and tribunals may consider external factors like COVID-19, but landlords are still expected to make reasonable efforts to resolve issues. If you'd like a copy of this case, email Ricky at rickyrathore.ca.